Happy Friday, Junior High Band. We're going to go through lesson 17 today. I'm going to start with sharps. A sharp makes the pitch a half step higher. It says practice. Trace the sharps and then practice writing them on both lines and spaces. Notice the placement of the center square of the sharp lies directly on a line or in a space. We'll zoom in on that. The sharp on the line has the line going right down the middle. The sharp in the space has the center square between the lines. So sharp on the line, on the line, on the line, and in the spaces. It says practice. Fill in the sharped pitches below using quarter notes. Remember to place the symbol for sharp directly to the left of the note head. So in treble clef, D sharp, I'm going to put it on the fourth line and the sharp there. F sharp, how about the first space for that one? You could go fifth line, both work, and B sharp, the third line of treble clef. In the bass clef, I'm going to go the top space, all cows eat grass. For that one, how about the fourth line for this one? Good boys do fine always. C sharp, all cows. And E sharp, how about, we'll do the third space here. All cows eat. The keyboard can help us understand the concept of sharps. When we go up the scale, the black keys have sharp names. So the black keys are your sharps and flats. Typically, when you go up a scale, they'll write sharps for those black keys. So name the following pitches. Ooh, they start us off in bass clef. Good boys do fine always. It's an A sharp. Ooh, down below here, that's actually an E sharp. And then good boys do, that's a D sharp. Treble clef, way up there is a C sharp. Way down there is a C sharp. That's a G sharp. That one's an E sharp. Moving on to the flats. A flat makes the pitch a half step lower. Trace the flats and then practice writing them on both lines and spaces. Note the placement of the round part of the flat lies directly in a line or on a space. So I will trace that sharp there on the lines. The line goes through the round part of the flat in the space. The round part sits in between the lines in the space. Practice. Fill in the flatted pitches below using quarter notes. Remember to place the symbol for flat directly to the left of each note head. I think I'll choose the fourth line for D flat. I'll choose the first space for F flat and second space for A flat. Then I'll do the first line for G flat for good. E flat will be up here, all cows eat. C flat here for cows. B flat, we'll do the second line, good boys do fine always. When we go down the scale, the black keys have flat names. See example below. And we name the following pitches. B flat there, this one's going to be a G flat. C flat here in bass clef, E flat there. Oh, let me back up. So these black keys all have sharp names and they have flat names. It's called enharmonics. I think we get to that later on. But D flat and C sharp are the same key. So just a little above C is C sharp, just a little below D is D flat. So same note, different names. Okay, back to number 5. A flat and treble clef, A flat here too, B flat and C flat way up there. Naturals. A sharp or flat can be canceled with a natural sign. Trace a natural sign and then practice writing them on the staff below. So the square of the natural sign shows you where it's at. If it's on the line goes down the middle of the square of the natural sign. If it's in the space, the square sits in between the lines in the space. And we'll fill in the missing pitches. Remember to add the natural sign. It's E flat. This one's going to be an E natural in the space. C sharp. C natural in the space. Got A flat here. A natural in the space. F sharp. F natural on the line. And B flat. B natural on the line. Well, that was a pretty quick assignment this week. I will have another one up for you next week. Also, I'll try to get going on the smart music stuff for when you get your instruments back, being able to do some playing at home. So I hope to hear from you soon and see you very soon, and we'll talk to you later.